Check this out, guys. What a beautiful place we found. It was very close to the Tet route, so we're gonna gather all our stuff, pitch the tents, and we are good to go. Geras alus. Man tai čia ežeriuko alus. Eik, tu čia iš viso karštas, blek. Sadly, but leaving this beautiful place. I'm sure we'll find something as nice today too. Here yesterday, I don't know how I managed to stay up, but I was really close to the crash. Can you see in the back mirror? We're running away from a storm. This is the place where I wanted to come. Well-made camping place and it's free of charge, so it's always packed of people. Haven't been here for 2 years, I think, so it's interesting what's new. Oh my god. Oh my god, so many people here. This is it. Sandy stuff starts. On the right hand side we have Poland, and we are still in Lithuania here. Yeah, that's the border. Just to make selfie. Oh, this is a Tet route, and it says if you are driving off the road, I mean off the track, you can get penalty 140 euro. That's going on a grass, on a green, or on the pavements for hiking people. And Basically, if you go through the forest, it's up to 300 euro. So never do it. And it also says enjoy the nature, not the fires, not the rubbish. Yep. Okay, just to defend myself, that was first time for me on the sand. And after a few months I was flying over the section with correct tires, correct tire pressure, body position and speed. Amazing how fast human evolves. These tires are not good for sand. We had really sandy section, at least for our skill. So I don't know, it was only a few kilometers, but we are completely naked now. Yeah, this is the level of the sand. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less, but yeah, it's tough. And with these Pirelli, what's the name of these tires? Pirelli Scorpion STR, I think. So they are not for sand for sure. The front wheel just digs deep into the sand, and it's, I don't know, for me it's barely handleable. Wind is picking up, so we need to get fast to a camping spot. This place should be really nice, because we've been camping in another side of this lake, but we saw people camping, so I'm not sure, are they still there? Oh, it is free now. Oops. 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 Someone is resting already. small introduction to our camp. Some bullets, 10 spikes, everything sorted. So time for a swim.
Good morning. So night was really fine, no rain, just some heavy tenders. Slept really well. Now it's time to pack up everything, take a swim probably, and back on the Tet route.
Sad to say goodbye to this place, but it's time. That's a nice place. Oh my god. O tai suplėšė tą maišą? Eik, tu načert. Ble, tai kur jį dabar dėt? Our rubbish bag got entangled into the wheel and we lost all our rubbish, so had to pick up it again.